Bing bong, hello. Bing bong, hello. Welcome back. Yo, I just woke up about like an hour ago now, but I feel like I just woke up. I was in a heavy coma, but I got word that there was a big event around Salt Lake area. So I said, who am I to deny everybody this blessing? Let's go check it out. Yo, hey, I just drove around for like 10-15 minutes. Y'all ain't ready for this shit. This is what we wanted. This is what we've been looking for. This is the meet. It's not a car show, it's just a meet. So people just parking and enjoying cars. This is what I've been missing. Now, let's go check it out.
Consciousness Records.
Aboard this aircraft, all sorrows, worries, and egos are behind you. Let your true being shine light on your imperfection. Let your mind rest and your soul live. Please stay seated as we begin our journey. Thank you.
Consciousness Records.
Second. Tell me all your dreams. Tell me what life means for you. Tell me where we went wrong. Tell me that we don't belong. Just say you scared though. Life isn't fair though. When I first saw you, I went numb. Back of my mind and I knew what it was. Lately I'm falling in love with you. Cruising through our city like we own that shit. Practice makes perfect, baby, and I'm so confident. Wood grain switching lanes like it's fucking 9-6. I've been known to fuck shit up like Jordan versus Knicks. These other niggas, they on some sucker shit. I just play these suckers quick, never hesitate to squeeze. I pull it and bust it quick. Set sail overseas, Italian the cuisine. No assumptions necessary, I can fulfill your needs.
Y'all, that's it. That's it. My bad. I needed this, boy, but I'm tired. So I'm about to shake and bake back to the house. Try to edit this video. This was what I needed. Motivation to get on it. So, with that being said, upgrades coming. A lot of stuff in the pipeline. We just got to get it out. I appreciate y'all for watching. Hey, 2 L's, 1 love. Stay tuned. Keep your, oh yeah, hey, order one of these. LLTV.myshopify.com.